Hi, welcome to another episode of Debtors' Rights. Today we're going to be talking about protecting your student loans and grants. Now, this is the request to protect income and assets. This is what you would need to file with the court to get your student loans and grants protected. So you would select the county, use the drop down box to select the county. You would write in the file number, docket number, case number. You would write in the creditor's name as well too, the employer, your employer's information, and where it says defendant and debtor, you would write in your information there. You'd want to check the student loan and grants box, and you'd want to attach proof of your student loans and grants as well too. And then if your student loans and grants has like personal information on it, like social, maybe account information, or a unique number that's unique to you, some sort of passcode, you want to wipe that out. Okay, and also when you're filing this and you're asking that your student loans and grants be protected from creditors, this is you file this document after you've been sued by a creditor, then you want to attach proof of your student loans and grants as well too. And just remember to white out the personal identifying information. Now, sometimes there are filing fees. If you cannot afford the filing fee, you want to ask for an affidavit of indigency, okay? And you would fill that out. It asks you about your dependents, your income, your debts, your creditors. You want to be as thorough as possible on that document because that document will be reviewed by the court, and the court will review that document to determine if you can afford to pay the filing fees now, or can you pay the filing, or will you be allowed permitted to pay the filing fees later. Now, if the court determines that you can pay your filing fees later, the filing fees are not erased. They're just moved to the end of the case. Okay, if your request is denied, that means you would have to pay the filing fees before you can file this document if they charge a fee. Second, this is the second page of the request to protect income and assets. You want to sign it, you want to date it, you want to make sure that you get your hearing date. And that hearing date is very important. And you want to complete the certificate of service. You want to put in the creditor's information, the creditor's address, and that address should be on the front of the lawsuit or somewhere within the lawsuit. You want to put in how you gave it to the creditor. Did you hand deliver it to the creditor in open court? Did you hand deliver it to the creditor's office? Did you mail it to the creditor? Was this document e-filed? However it was given to the creditor, you want to notate that, indicate that in the certificate of service. You want to date it and you want to sign it. Make sure you keep a copy for your records as well. Now, this is page 3. The judge will complete this page. Again, your proof of your student loans and grants should be attached, but if for some reason you did not attach it, definitely bring your proof to this court date, okay? And you want to come to this court date because if you miss court, more than likely your case could be dismissed and then you won't have any protection at all, okay? So, and see if the other side will agree. If you can't get agreement, go before the judge with your proof in hand, asking that your student loans and grants be protected, because your student loans and grants should be used for your educational expenses and different things like that, and not necessarily to pay your creditors. So just go to the court date with your proof that you are receiving student loans and grants and that you're asking the court for it to be protected. So to get this document, use the link in the description. So my name is Gina Crawley. I am an attorney out of Nashville, Tennessee. No attorney-client relationship was formed by watching this video. This is general information. I'm getting the word out. Please like, subscribe, tell others that if they've been sued by a creditor and a creditor is maybe has a bank levy, has some sort of against their bank account, and they're taking some of their student loans and grants, let them know about this. Let them know this is out here so that they can file this and stop any more money from being taken. Or if you know of someone who has been sued by a creditor who has student loans and grants, they can file this and be preemptive so that they can't take any money initially to avoid the student loans and grants being used to, instead of being used for the creditors, it'd be used to further their education. So definitely tell other people about it. Spread the word. Let them know. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy your day.